Joining social media expands your world, and when you take steps into the Facebook community, you are joining almost 3 billion other users. You are connecting not just with people across town, but around the world. It is a way to speak with family and friends, reconnect with people you haven't seen in years, join groups that share your interests, and follow what's happening in your community. People, businesses, and organizations all inhabit Facebook. So let's open the door and step inside. Today, we are going to open your account, review some privacy measures, and take a tour of the neighborhood. You will want to bring your email address and a picture of yourself saved on your computer. Are you ready to get started? Well, then let's go to facebook.com. We're going to go to the right side of the screen and enter your name and that email address I told you to bring. You will use your email to sign into your account from now on, and you will choose a password that's easy to remember. However, passwords securely lock your door, so you'll want to choose one that uses capital and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Now go check your email and click the verification link, or you can copy the Facebook code in your email and paste it into your confirmation screen. Congratulations and welcome to Facebook. You are now a member. We're going to go check your privacy settings by clicking in the upper right-hand corner, choose Settings, and then over to Privacy. Now, your settings should already be set properly, but let's check. You only want your friends to see your posts and your pictures. Your communication settings are open right now, so you can set up your Facebook friends list. You can close it or restrict it any time by clicking Edit and using the drop-down boxes. But what is a friends list? Let's take a look at that. Your friends list is your approved list of people who can see your post. No one is added without your request or approval, and you treat it like a front door. Never let in someone that you don't trust. Welcome to your profile page. This is where we use the picture that you've saved on your computer as your profile picture. You'll click on that little camera icon, and you'll see one above that's for your cover photo. When you click on these icons, Facebook will open up a system window for you, and you will choose your picture file. You will then pick which picture you would like to use. These pictures will always be public, and you can change them as often as you like. Then we're going to go to your biography information, where you enter your hometown, schools, places that you've worked. This is how people will find you, and Facebook will help you find people. And you have an opportunity here to do your status updates and your photos, but we'll also see that on your wall. And here you see your news feed, where you can choose to share how you feel about someone's post. We like it. You can leave comments, and you can share that post on your wall. You can also join suggested groups, add suggested friends. You can find groups and friends by searching in the white bar above as well. But let's do your first post. You can see when you click in the box, it gives you a pop-up box to type in. You can also add your photos and videos in this box. And we're going to click Post. And there you are, officially part of the Facebook world. You've opened your account. You started your profile. You've taken a tour, and you found your news feed. But don't forget your privacy measures. Welcome to the neighborhood, and have fun exploring.